A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Fine. And what about your notebooks? Are you updating it? अगर स्टॉक में होगा then you won't find any problem during your assessment, isn't it? आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई करना रहेगा, then you have to go for the revision. So it is good to maintain your notebook. Okay, students. So back to our topic, students. Today our topic is in, on, behind, under. Now tell me why we use all these words. Okay, I'll tell you. We use all these words in, on, behind, under to know the correct position of things. To have with more clear concept, we'll watch a small video. So are my students ready to watch interesting video or with our topic in, on, under and behind? That's on page number 66 of your textbook. Okay, students?
Under. Read the sentences given here. Mala has 6 pets. Let us find out where those pets are. Dogo the dog is under the table. Kitty the cat is behind the door. Jumpy the rabbit is on the mat. It looks at Chirpy. Chirpy the parrot is in the cage. It is looking at the monkey. Zorro the monkey is jumping over the table. Shiny the squirrel is jumping into the basket. The words under, behind, on, in, over and into tell us the position of animals. Sir?
Yes, from these sentences, what idea you got, students? That Dogo the dog is under the table. That means it tells the position where the dog is sitting. And the next one was Kitty the cat is behind the door. That means it tells the position of cat. कि cat किधर है? डोर के पीछे है. Jumpy the rabbit is on the mat. Where is the rabbit? On the mat. So it tells the position of the animals. Such words may also tells us the position of other animals, things, places or persons.
Such words may also tell us the position of other animals, things, places or persons. Other position words are near, between and above.
Students, apart from this, other position words are near, between and above. So students, let's revise once again. Dogo, the dog is under the table. Can you see, student? See, Dogo, the dog is under the table. You can see the arrow. वो नीचे है. क्या है? Under the table. Kitty, the cat is behind the door. Can you see? See, behind the door. Kitty, the cat is behind the door. मतलब के दरवाजे के पीछे है. Behind. Can you see? See the arrow. कहाँ पर है? पीछे है. Jumpy the rabbit is on the mat. Can you see, students? On the mat. Mat पे है. कौन है? Rabbit है. Jumpy the rabbit is on the mat. See, rabbit is on the mat. So what we have used? On. It looks at Chippy. Chippy the parrot is in the cage. Cage in मतलब कि अंदर. Parrot is in the cage. So it tells the position of parrot in द केज, केज के अंदर है. Got it students? It is looking at the monkey. Zorro, the monkey is jumping over the table. कहाँ पे जंप कर रहा है? Over the table. Can you see? कहाँ पे जंप कर रहा है monkey? Over the table. Shiny, the squirrel, is jumping into the basket. See what the squirrel is doing? Into, उसके अंदर जा रही है. Shiny, the squirrel, is jumping into the basket. That means squirrel is moving. She has not reached. अंदर वो गई नहीं है, but the action is going on, moving into the basket. So which word is used? Into the basket. Squirrel, अगर वो पहुंच जाएगी, that means she will in. Now into the basket, she is moving. Okay students, so it was all about under, behind, in, on and over. Now students, your time, that means worksheet part. So are my students ready for the worksheet part? Are you ready with your notebook and book? Okay. Now it's the simplest exercise students. आपको 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेंगे. Take the correct words in the brackets. आपको इमेज देखना है. You have to see the image and then read the sentence and then tick out. Okay. Which one is the correct one? The painting is in on the wall. Painting कहाँ है? अंदर है कि बाहर है? On the wall. I will be giving the clue. मैं explain करूँगी. But you have to do on your own. The next one is the cat is in above the basket. See, कहाँ पर है? ऊपर है कि in है? Yes, got it. The cat is in the basket. And the third one is the chair is near or on the table. कहाँ पे है? On the or near the table. उसके पास में है कि ऊपर है? It's near the table. Got it students? Now fourth one, the bird flew over on the tree. Can you see the image? Yes. Now you have to read and tick out which one is the correct. See the students, bird is moving, still moving. It's not on the tree. So what you will be writing? Over or on. जब बैठेगा bird tree के ऊपर, at that time you will be writing on the tree. But the bird is still moving. Fifth is Samir is between or near Nina and Niti. See, Samir नीना और निधि के बीच में है कि पास में है? You can see the image? Yes, between. Sixth one is the cat jumped into on the well. Can you see? उसने jump नहीं किया है, but trying to jumping. तो क्या होगा इसका? Into or on the well? On the well or into the well? Yes, got it? Very smart. Seventh is the boy went up or down the hill. See, the boy went up or down the hill. वो जा रहा है कि अभी खड़ा है? Going, no, up to the hill. Eighth one is the ball rolled up or down the stairs. See, can you see? बॉल कहाँ जा रहा है? अप जा रहा है कि डाउन जा रहा है? इट इज कमिंग डाउनवर्ड साइड. द बॉल रोल्ड डाउन द स्टेयर्स. ओके. एंड द नाइन्थ वन, द बाइसिकल इज बिहाइंड बिटवीन द गेट. स्टूडेंट्स, this I know you will be doing. It's very easy. And the last one, the head of the frog is above into the water. See, frog आप देख पा रहे हैं? Yes, it is above or into the water. कहाँ पे है? See. Okay, it's above the water. Okay, got it, students? Very nice. So it was all about from, in, on, under and behind, which tells us the position. Okay, it was all for the day. Have a great time, students. Keep on practicing. All the best. Bye bye, students.